Have you ever dreamed of a short stay in Switzerland with your loved ones after the pandemic? Or move into a bigger house for the comfort and safety of your family? To live your dream life, it requires planning and action. In this virtual workshop, we will guide you through the planning process and provide advice on how you can achieve your financial goals. First, spare a few minutes to think and write down your goals. A goal has to be specific, measurable, and time-bound. For example, I want to stay in Switzerland for a month with my spouse, in year 2026. After the goals are identified, it's time for the number crunching. You can log on to the Public Mutual website and look for financial planning services under the menu icon. Simply click on Specific Financial Goals Planning, and you will find our financial calculator. You can key in your expected rate of inflation, expected investment rate of return, your goal, for example a trip to Switzerland, estimated amount to accumulate and the number of years to achieve your goal. When you are done, simply click the Calculate button. Now you know that you need to accumulate $121,665 for this trip 5 years down the road. We have 2 suggestions of how you can invest to accumulate this amount. Assuming a rate of return of 8%, you can either consider making a lump sum investment of $82,803 or a monthly investment of $1,645. Both lump sum or monthly investments can help achieve your goal. You may try planning for other financial goals by applying the same method. In your planning process, just be mindful of the investment rate of return that you use. If you use a higher rate, you are expected to take higher risk and hence, the monthly investment required will turn out to be lower. The same concept applies the other way around. If the lump sum or monthly investment required turns out to be a huge amount that you can't afford, you can look into other possible alternatives or defer the plan to a later date. For example, spend your vacation in Asian countries, or plan the vacation in 7 years' time, if you insist on visiting Switzerland. Remember to stay invested and invest regularly, as consistency is the key to success. We hope you enjoyed our virtual workshop and stay tuned.